G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. The time is 1:15 in the evening. Now, I've been trying to catch these two having a feed for a long time. And, wow. He's feeding it. I hope they still use the bird nest. Oh wow. Oh well. Well, I hope you like this little short video. If so, please subscribe. I do hope they continue to use that bird nest there. Would appreciate if they do. Maybe if I put it in a different spot, maybe it gives more shelter from the heat and all that. I don't know. I have to do a little bit of research on how these birds nest. Anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.